Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can buy the USDT and the Binance. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to download the Binance app and we have to create our account and we have to verify that. And now simply we have to click on the Binance app. We have to open this. As you can see now, simply we have to open the Binance app and I've already did. Now simply as you can see now, these all options are provided here. We have to go to the P2P section. So I'm going to click on this profile icon. And as you can see, you will be able to see P2P option in the recommend section. So I'm going to click on this P2P here. And as you can see now, I have selected the USDT here. If you want to change the coin, you can also do that. Now what I'm going to do, as you can see, the options are provided here. If you want to buy, you can also do that. Or if you want to sell, you have to go to the sales section, but I'm going to the buy section. As you can see now, simply what we have to do, we have to scroll down and now we have to choose that where you want to buy. For example, I want to buy from here. Let's click on this. And as you can see now, simply we have to enter the amount. For example, I'm going to enter the maximum amount is this. And now what we have to provide, we have to provide these amount. These every detail is provided here. Simply we have to click on the place order, and after that we have to submit the amount and we will get those in our account. So in this way you can buy, or if you want to sell, you have to go to the sales section. You have to click on the sale option. You have to choose the seller, then whom you want to sell, and after that you have to choose that. For example, I'm going to buy sell this one here. So in this way you can sell that. You have to click on the place order and you will receive the money. So in this way you can buy or sell the USDT and the Binance. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.